Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X1 front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and supported on jack stands for stability. Next, you'll want to remove the front wheels. This step provides much better access to the various fasteners. Then, carefully remove all the screws and clips that hold the fender liners in place, usually around 5 to 7 per side, allowing them to be pulled back. Now, open the hood and locate the top screws securing the bumper to the radiator support. There are usually 4 to 6 of these fasteners. After that, move to the underside of the vehicle. You'll find several bolts and clips along the bottom edge of the bumper that need to be removed. Don't forget to carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors before proceeding. With the top and bottom fasteners removed, it's time to release the side clips. Start by gently pulling the bumper cover outwards from the fender on one side. You'll feel the clips disengage. Repeat this process on the other side, working slowly to avoid damaging the paint or the bumper tabs. Double-check that all electrical connections are completely disconnected before attempting to fully remove the bumper. Finally, with all fasteners and clips released, and ideally with a helper, carefully pull the entire front bumper straight off the vehicle. It should slide forward smoothly. Once removed, place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to protect it from any scratches or damage. And hey, if you're looking for ways to save money on car repairs or just improve your financial outlook, check out the description for a link to a great book and other deals that might help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.